After walking for a whole day many times due to fatigue, the problem of stiffness and pain in the feet and soles bothers us. In this case, massaging the feet gives a lot of relief. It has also been found in research that there are many benefits of foot massage. Massaging not only reduces the pain in the feet but also reduces stress. If the feet are massaged daily, then the energy is also boosted. According to research, when massage is done on the feet, it activates the nervous system, due to which endorphins present in the brain are released. It has been found in the research that after the surgery, people who got their feet massaged had to bear less pain, and they also needed to consume fewer painkillers. Now see the benefits of foot massage. Strong muscles. Regular massaging of the feet keep the muscle tissue healthy, due to which the muscles there remain strong for a long time. Massage also improves the blood circulation of the feet, which is also beneficial in nerve damage and diabetes. Depression. If you are feeling mentally disturbed and feeling like depression, then you must massage your feet. By doing this, the problem of depression goes away. Better sleep. If you are unable to sleep at night, massage your feet slowly with your favorite essential oil or coconut oil. By doing this, the problem of not getting sleep goes away. Speedy recovery. With the help of foot massage, you can recover quickly from injuries caused by heels, soles, feet, etc., especially those who are athletes or those who are working out excessively. Beneficial in pregnancy. If your feet swell during pregnancy, then you must take a foot massage. By doing this, you will not only get relief, but the problem of swelling in the feet will also go away. Stay healthy and stay safe. If you like this information, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you again.